Yes, students. The question is calculate the amount will appear against the item stationery account in the income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 19. For this, you are given the balances on 1st April 2018 and 31st March 2019. Creditors for stationery on 1st April 18 40,000 and on 31st March 19 58,000. Stock of stationery on 1st April 18 is 30,000 and on 31st March 2019 25,000. During 2018-19, the payment made to these creditors amounted to 1,62,000. Means during the year we paid to the creditors 1,62,000 rupees. Stationery purchased in cash during the year was 25% of the total purchase of stationery. So the cash purchase is 25% of total purchase and the total purchase is not given. So how will you calculate? Look at here now. For this, the formula of total purchase is cash purchase plus credit purchase. मीन्स जनरली हम देखते हैं टोटल कितना खरीदा, तो जितना कैश में खरीदा और उधार में खरीदा दोनों को ऐड कर देते हैं तो टोटल परचेज आ जाता है. इन दिस क्वेश्चन ही आस्क यू कैश परचेज इज 25% ऑफ total purchase and credit purchase is also not given. So for this, first we calculate the credit purchase. How? Look at here. By preparing the working note 1, calculation of credit purchase of stationery. Amount paid to creditors 1,62,000 is given in the question. लेस क्रेडिटर्स एट द बिगनिंग. पिछले साल आपने जो उधार खरीदा था उसके क्रेडिटर्स है बिगनिंग वाले, लेस 40,000. सो द रिमेनिंग बैलेंस इज 1,22,000. देन एड क्रेडिटर्स एट द एंड, करंट ईयर एंड 58,000. सो द क्रेडिट परचेज ऑफ स्टेशनरी इज 1,80,000 rupees. So now we got the credit purchase. Look at here, credit purchase is 1,80,000. the cash purchase is not given and total purchase is also not given. So let's assume, let the total purchase be X. So the cash purchase is 25% of X. By solve this equation we get the amount of total purchase and cash purchase, right? ये फॉर्मूला आपको समझाने के लिए यहाँ लिखा है ताकि आप इजीली इसको समझ जाएं. टोटल परचेज इक्वल टू कैश परचेज प्लस क्रेडिट परचेज. टोटल परचेज वी एज्यूम्ड X, कैश परचेज 25% of X and credit purchase we got 1,80,000. So student, now we solve this equation. Let the total purchase be X. Okay. Then cash purchase 25% of X. Now solve this equation. X equal to 25% of X plus 1,80,000. Total purchase equal to cash purchase plus credit purchase. X equal to, can we write it? X by 4, 25% of X plus 1,80,000. Now the next step, 3x by 4 equal to 1,80,000 and the x equal to 1,80,000 into 3 into 4 by 3. So this amount is 2,40,000. and here X is total purchase. It's rupees 2,40,000 rupees. Okay, total purchase 2,40,000. Credit purchase we got in the working note 1,80,000. So the cash purchase is 60,000 rupees. Now we got credit purchase and total purchase. Now he asked to the consumption of stationery during the year. Look at here. Understand, student? Now calculation of stationery consumed. Total purchase of stationery कितना आया था यहाँ पे 2,40,000 add stock at the beginning and less stock at the end. So the this amount is 30,000. So 2,70,000 and closing stock of stationery 225. So stationery consumed during the year is rupees 2,45,000. Stationery consumed, and this rupees 2,45,000 will be shown on the expenditure side of income and expenditure account. Thank you.